Trading can often feel like a high-stakes game, where the challenge lies not only in making profits but also in managing the inherent risks and inevitable lows. That is also true for the robot trading system, a trading tool that is reshaping traditional approaches by emphasizing resilience as much as reward. About a week ago, I set out on a new journey with this live trading system. As with all things new, the onset wasn't particularly smooth. I found myself in what traders often dread, a drawdown situation. This scenario occurred despite the fact that I had chosen what is a proven strategy, opening a sell position during a downtrend. The unpredictability of the market, however, took its course, and I ended up facing the opposite direction of the intended profit. As a result, for an entire week, my trading account saw no influx of profits. For many, a week without profits might signal an ineffective system, but I beg to differ. While it's true that the first week didn't bring any financial gain, the noteworthy detail lies in the absence of losses. It's crucial to mention here that the robot trading system I was using is designed specifically to handle such drawdowns. The system deploys an intelligent algorithm that efficiently hedges positions, thereby maintaining a balance even when the market doesn't move in the predicted direction. This might seem like a small win, but when you're trading, especially in a volatile market, avoiding losses can be just as important, if not more, than making significant profits. On the closing date of June 23rd, my account, despite the week's market turbulence, stood at a net gain of $1. This may not seem like a significant achievement on the surface, but when considering the context, it's evidence of the system's effectiveness in safeguarding against potential losses. For those intrigued by the system's ability to mitigate losses during unpredictable market conditions, the robot trading system offers a demo account for you to test. This thing provides a risk-free opportunity to understand the system's operations and explore its unique features. The system's emphasis on resilience and risk mitigation might be a refreshing change from traditional systems that primarily focus on profit generation. In the world of trading, where the tides can turn swiftly and unexpectedly, it's a comfort to have a tool that can withstand the push and pull of the market trends. The robot trading system does precisely this by striking a balance between risk and reward. It may not always provide an instant profit, but it offers a buffer against potential losses during turbulent market phases, thus providing a safer trading experience. With its unique emphasis on resilience and a strategic approach to risk management, it stands apart from other trading systems. For anyone seeking a reliable, stress-tested system that can withstand the unpredictability of the markets, the robot trading system is definitely worth considering. The link is below, and as always, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.